Hello everybody, it's Shakur and we are here to discuss about CDIF. CDIF or CIMA Diploma in Islamic Finance is a flagship program of Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, commonly known as CIMA. CDIF is their leading program and consists of 4 separate certifications. These certifications include certification in Islamic Commercial Law, certification in Islamic Banking and certification in Islamic Capital Markets and Instruments, and certification in Islamic Accounting. As far as course contents of these certificates is concerned, these are very rigorous certifications and include technical material which is necessary to perform a different role in Islamic banking industry. Let's discuss one by one about all these certification programs. Certificate in Islamic Commercial Law. This certificate is very comprehensive and deals with sources of Sharia and how these Islamic contracts are derived. Basically, there are 2 sources of Islamic commercial law, one primary source and second one secondary source. Primary sources include Holy Quran and Sunnah, and secondary sources include fiqh. Islamic contracts are varied in number and their applicability to modern Islamic banking industry is being established through fiqh. These Islamic contracts include contract of bay or sale. There are various rules of bay and there are various types of bay, like murabha, which means cost plus profit sale, musawama, and salam istisna. So there are various types of sale contracts. There are certain subcontracts as well, like khayars or options. Options are available to buyers and sellers of the goods. Similarly, there is a contract of hawala. Hawala means assignment of debt, which is allowed in Islamic Sharia. Similarly, it deals with ijara, which is a hybrid contract. All these contracts have derivation from primary as well as secondary sources of Sharia. We will discuss about their applicability, their sources, and what are the challenges to modern banking industry. The second certification module in CDIF is certification in Islamic Banking and Takaful. It is pertinent to discuss with you guys that Islamic banking industry assumes 80% of the total Islamic financial industry by the end of 2013. If we talk about the numbers, there are more than 1.8 trillion US dollar under Islamic finance. And when we talk about the progress, cumulative average growth rate of Islamic banking industry is 17% between 2009 and 2013. After 2008-9, that is after subprime mortgages, industry growth was dismal. However, Islamic banking industry has posted 17% growth year-on-year basis, which is quite encouraging under these recessionary trends. When we talk about Islamic banking, there are different types of products available as far as liabilities and assets of Islamic banking are concerned. From liabilities perspective, there are current accounts based on qard or wadiya basis, and there are saving accounts which are based on mudarba or musharaka basis. Similarly, on asset side, the main products available for Islamic banking industries include musharika, diminishing musharika, Mudariba, Ijara, Murabaha, Musawama, Salam and Istisna. Then we would discuss about Takaful, what are different types of Takaful products available in market, like family Takaful and general Takaful, and what is the derivation of Takaful from Islamic Sharia. Then we would discuss about the issues pertaining to deficit, surplus and finally re-Takaful. The third certification pertains to Islamic capital markets and instruments. Islamic capital markets has grown exponentially throughout the world, whether it is Middle East, London, New York, Pakistan and Malaysia. This is the second largest claimant of growth as far as Islamic financial industry is concerned. Islamic capital market has different products which they offer. The most prevalent capital market product is Sukuk. Sukuk investments have the largest share as far as Islamic capital markets are concerned. When we talk about different types of Sukuk, these include Ijara Sukuk, Musharika Sukuk, Mudariba Sukuk, Salam Sukuk, Istisna Sukuk, Murabaha Sukuk. There are more than 12 types of Sukuk available in theory. However, in practice, normally Ijara, Musharika and Mudariba Sukuk are commonly used. The fourth certification pertains to Islamic accounting for Islamic financial institutions and banks. When we talk about Islamic accounting, it is quite different in treatment from normal accounting, because the nature of the business in which Islamic banks or financial institutions indulge is quite different from normal banking industry. Like normally these are into trading or they are into partnership modes. Hence the accounting treatment for trading and partnership modes is quite different from lending and borrowing, which is normally used in commercial banks. That's why a different set of statements is prepared for Islamic financial institutions. CDIF comprehensively tests all the areas of Islamic accounting and the accounting standards issued by AOFI, Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institutions. This is the global body responsible for issuance of accounting, auditing, Sharia, governance and ethics standards. Till date, it has issued 88 standards. Out of these, 26 are accounting, 48 are Sharia standards, 5 auditing, 7 governance and 2 ethics. So CDIF comprehensively tests all the areas of accounting, auditing, Sharia and governance. It also tests different accounting treatments for Islamic banking and finance products as well as Islamic products for the Takaful industry. Like it tests accounting for Mudariba, Musharika, Musawama, Murabaha, Ijara, Istisna, Salam. As far as exam format is concerned, all 4 certifications are offered online in more than 4,500 centers worldwide. Every certification consists of 1 hour duration and normally there are 40 to 50 MCQs. You get the assessment result on the spot, and upon successful completion of all 4 certificates, you are entitled to receive diploma. Upon completion of this glorious diploma, the world is open for you as far as Islamic financial industry is concerned, because a number of Islamic banks globally give preference to CDIF holders. Berkeley Middle East is a leading training and coaching institute in the Middle East, and it has a very dynamic and capable faculty which have practical Islamic banking and finance experience. So we welcome you on board and we wish you all the best in completion of all 4 certifications to get this highly acclaimed qualification.